So I think this Crayon is a fantastic platform. I have been coming here for last 10 years, and the Russian market is very interesting because it is different from the rest of the world. In terms of logistics, there are a lot of challenges. In terms of production capacity, there are challenges. Credit insurance is a challenge. And compared to the other conferences I do attend around the world, this brings in a very different audience, and to meet them, to exchange views, especially in terms of the nature of the market. And the Russian PET market is only market which is very different, as I can compare it to a bit to like Japan, which is totally different from the rest of the market. The biggest use is beer, whereas rest of the world is water or CSD. So the dynamics here are definitely different. The import dependency is going down. So for me as an exporter into the Russian and CIS market, it is more interesting to look at the CIS countries, less into Russia, because Russia will, as we proceed, be less and less of an import market over the period of years. But still, I think Russia will import because it is such a huge country. When you are in the center of Russia and Ekaterinburg, the sun has not risen in the west side, and it has already sunset in the other side. I'm talking of Vladivostok and Kaliningrad. So it is a huge market. So logistically, it is impossible for even a huge plant to cater to the whole market in Russia. So this will always, even over the period of next 5 years, still import some volumes, especially into the far west and the far east. And CIS, of course, will remain an importer for a long time. And many of the Russian plants also that have been announced, they also they have not been online on stream because of so many challenges from operational view. So this is a good conference, and I wish them all the best. I think it's very interesting to be coming here again.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you for your comments.
Yeah.